Monosim is now offering Seedstar 2 ready planters. The planters will come from the factory with most of the harnessing. Then the John Deere dealer will order a kit from their parts department to complete the planter and install it at the dealership. This will allow the customer to monitor seed flow or ground-driven planters, or monitor and control hydraulically driven planters. As you can see on our Gen 4 display, the main run page is set up to control the tractor's auto steer as well as map coverage. Our Monosim planter run page is set to show the planter seed sensors. On a hydraulic drive planter, we would also be able to see our drive status. The producer can also pre-populate different crop types as well as seed populations. Using the Monosim planter in conjunction with other John Deere technology, the producer will be able to monitor their farming operation from their office. They will also have the ability to send prescriptions and seeding rates directly to the operator in the tractor as plans and seeding rates change.